Hello, friends. So, we often talk about adjectives and adverbs, and we almost always use this word modify to say what we're doing when we use adjectives or adverbs. So, I just wanted to talk about what this word actually means. To modify means to change or clarify. In terms of adjectives and adverbs, what we're changing or clarifying are other things. Maybe they're nouns, such as people, place, or things, or maybe they're verbs, which are action words, but we're changing them or clarifying them with adjectives and adverbs, and that's what we mean when we are modifying the words. Another way to think about it is that modifying words is adding meaning to the words. So let's give an example. Let's say you're at a restaurant and you tell the waiter, "Waiter, sir, I want chicken." Probably the waiter's going to be a little bit confused as to what you actually want. You might ask a clarifying question, such as, "Which type of chicken do you want?" Because just saying, "I want chicken" is probably not sufficient to getting any kind of order. So you might have to clarify, "I want fried chicken." And now what you have is you have more clear or clarified idea of what kind of chicken you want. You've added meaning to the word chicken by clarifying that the kind of chicken that you want is specifically the fried kind. In this case, what you are modifying is the noun chicken. So that's a noun because it's a thing, and a noun is a person, place, or thing. And frying it is, or saying that you want fried chicken, is modifying that noun. You're saying what kind of chicken you want, you're adding to the meaning of it, and that gives you an adjective, because an adjective is a word that modifies a noun. So this is an example of an adjective. You'll see more about those in other videos. And let's use an example with the other type of word that you often hear, which is adverb. So let's say that you turn to your beloved spouse and you say, "Beloved spouse, go to the store." Well, that might be just fine, but what if the store is just about to close? And what if they really need to get moving because you need something for dinner, but the store's about to close, and so maybe you don't want them to just go to the store whenever. You want them to go to the store quickly. You want them to get moving. So now you say go to the store quickly. And what you've done is you've modified that action. Instead of just go to the store, that going to the store is supposed to be done a certain way. So go is a verb. It's an action word. And quickly is changing the way in which you go. It's modifying that verb. And so that's what we mean when we say modifying a verb. And that's an adverb. Whenever you modify a verb, you have an adverb. An adverb is a word that simply modifies the verb. And you can usually tell an adverb by the ly at the end. So if you see a word with an ly at the end, chances are it's an adverb. And if you have a word and want to make it an adverb, chances are if you add an ly, you will do just that. So those are just a couple of quick examples of an adjective and an adverb, and specifically what we mean when we say that they modify a noun or a verb. All we mean is that there are words that are added to the sentence that add meaning, that change or clarify that noun or verb.